Your head, don't worry. All right. Who do we have here?
Justin.
And
Shona.
what are we doing today, guys?
Jumping out of a plane.
Whose idea was this?
Hers.
So yeah, always blame the woman when you can. That's right. Any last words, final comments, confessions, in case we don't make it to your next birthday?
Love you.
Love you, sweetheart.
For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, tablet, phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have everything else. Let's go rock out a Skydive and have some fun, guys. High five.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Here we go, guys. Stand on the plane. Here we go. Better be. We're getting in, getting up, getting out. Let's go blast off. It was so much fun and he passed out, huh?
Something like
you
that.
Still got dirt in your beard?
That's normal, it's okay.
Consolation prize. You gonna do that again someday? This is round 2, right?
Oh yeah.
Next time you gotta open the
parachute.
parachute.
Ahead of time and,
Yeah? Just gotta ask me.
Okay.
Great job. High five.
Thank you.
Next time I'll let you open that parachute. Woo! Skydive Colorado Springs.